Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Haley. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul today. So this is probably the biggest Dollar Tree haul I've ever filmed ever. I have 45 items here, so $45. I cannot believe that I spent that much on this. And it's mostly DIYs. So I was just super, just so excited about all of the fall stuff. I was super inspired, and then I watched a lot of YouTube videos beforehand of DIYs, so I got some inspiration from those, and then I just saw things in store and came up with things. So I have so many DIYs planned. So if you're interested in seeing a video, please let me know in the comments. Give us a big thumbs up. I could film a good DIY video if you're interested, but I don't know if you are. So let's just get right into it. I've got so much stuff just laid out all around me. So here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with this. This was a super easy DIY that I came up with while I was in the store. So I found these wall stickers, and there's 3 stickers here, and it says, always wash your hands, flush the toilet, close the lid, floss and brush your teeth. And so it's like a little soap dispenser, a little toilet, and then the little toothbrush holder. And I thought of using these Dollar Tree frames, obviously taking out the picture that comes in it, and then sticking that there. Isn't that so cute? I just thought that would look really cute on my bathroom wall. I have 2 bathrooms, I have the master bathroom and then a spare bathroom. So I've been trying to find some cheap DIY decor, and I saw some printables online. And I actually did a DIY printable thing for my other bathroom. I'll link below the printables that I used, but I was looking for something a little bit different for the other bathroom, and so I thought this was just such a cute idea. So I bought 3 frames and then the stickers. I picked up a ton of fall floral. I just was so inspired, and I saw it and I loved it, and I couldn't help myself. So I'll try to go through it all very, very quickly. There's so much of it. So I got this, and this has got the leaves and the berries, and this one's got the little acorn. I picked up this one, and it's got a little darker pumpkin, and then the mixed colors of leaves and a few little berries. This one has some berries and a pine cone and a flower and leaves. This one has a pumpkin that's like a traditional orange pumpkin with some sticks, pine cones, and leaves. This one is a mum, and then this one actually isn't a mum, but it's a dahlia bush. I thought these looked really cute together, and I would intermix them all. And so I really liked the look of that, although I really wish that this was a mum, but they didn't have it in the colors. I could just do this as well, but anyways, picked up those flowers, and then more fall, these are they're called fall picks. These ones are just leaves. This one is, I think it's a berry or something, I don't know, a pomegranate. I really don't know what that is. A pine cone, berries, leaves, sticks. And then last but not least, this one's got a mix of cotton and cottontail and pine cones. That little cotton's all getting up. So those were all of the fall florals that I picked up. I picked up some more from Walmart, but they're much more expensive at Walmart, but I liked how you got really big flowers, so I picked up a $3 one and a $5 one. So all of those mixed will be so cute. I bought 2 mason jars from Goodwill. My Dollar Tree doesn't have the big ones anymore, and they actually ended up being cheaper at Goodwill. They were only 60 cents, and so they're the bigger sized, and I spray painted them white, and then I'm gonna kind of distress them to use with this. And then I also came up with this idea while I was in the store. So I got these 2 glasses. I think they're technically called, what is this, a cylinder vase. I think I've heard of them called as hurricane vases before. I could be wrong on that. So I grabbed 2 of those, and I found these burlap leaves, and they had a maroon, this orange color, this light brown color, and a dark brown color. I think that was it. So I thought about overlapping them on the jar. You kind of can't really see, but putting one on this side, and I could do one here, or overlapping them of some sort. And then in the ribbon section, I found this. I mean, it was right in the same section, but and this is orange, brown, I think it's kind of got a maroon and a white like check, and so I thought that that could go like around the top for a bow or on the bottom or something, and sort of like the three of these together. So like the three of these like together, or I could just do those. So I thought those were super, super cute. And then my mom is just such a sweet lady, and she made me and my boyfriend a bunch of sunflower things. She crochets, and so she made us like a throw blanket for the couch, throw pillows, coasters, and placemats, and kitchen towels, and I mean a bunch of stuff. And so I wanted to get a bunch of sunflower stuff to like go along with that, to kind of like incorporate sunflowers into our decor. And so I found this with the ribbon section, and it's this yellow sunflower, but it's yellow ribbon with a gold sunflower. So I thought that that was like a little mix, and I absolutely love that. So I could even do that on the jar or something, but I picked it up to use in a future DIY. I was super inspired, like I said, so some of these things I just picked up for future use, kind of sticking with the sunflower theme. So I found these, I got these two, and it says, live what you love, but I don't care what the phrase is. I'm going to repaint these. I think they also had another one that was like, enjoy the ride, and it was like a green with like a bike, but this I think is super long, really good, like sturdy wood for Dollar Tree. I think it's cheaper than what I would get if I went to like Home Depot or something. And so, like I said, I'm going to repaint these. I'll probably end up sanding them and repainting them. And then my idea is to attach them. This is backwards. To attach them like this. And then I found these, and they have these every year at Dollar Tree. These are the metal words. It says thankful, harvest, and welcome. So they look like there. And so my thought was to like secure these together, which I'm not quite sure what's gonna work the best. I'll probably ask my boyfriend for help because he's good with like wood stuff, but I want him to like stick together. And then I want to put the words here. And I think it like fits so perfectly, and it adds just that extra little room to put things on both sides. And so I picked up these sunflowers. This is a 9-piece. And then I picked up these at 6-piece. And so I thought that like a mixture of some of the big and small ones on the sides would just be so, so cute. I have, I think, white and black spray paint, and then I have a bunch of other spray paints, but let me know in the comments below, what color do you think would look best for this? So I think I'll probably end up spray painting it all white and then adding a different color to it if I do, but like, what would be the cutest color with the sunflowers and that as like a base? Would the white look good to like stand out? I don't know. I've been thinking about it. I bought this stuff yesterday, so I've been thinking about it. I'm like, I don't know what I would do. So if you have any ideas, please leave it down below. And then, so my last like DIY project that I went in, I saw this on Callie Brancefort's channel. But First Coffee, I think is the name. I'll try to leave like the little name here. And she did a Dollar Tree DIY video with fall stuff. And so this stuff was inspired. I mean, it's literally one of her DIYs. So this is what I went in for. And then so many other things happened. So I got this. This is just the floral foam. And I can use this for many other things. I'll like have to cut it. And then she had said to get a wooden sign, and it's just one of these little wooden signs here. This says welcome to our happily ever after, but I'm going to paint it over, most likely white. And then to get one of these, and this is a new, like the crafter corner section is new. I absolutely love it. It's so cool. To get all this stuff like for $1 instead of going to like Hobby Lobby or Michael's or something. It's so much more expensive. And so what she did was she put it here, and then she put the floral foam there and put succulents in it. My Dollar Tree didn't have any succulents. They have in the past, and I bought a bunch, and I did a Dollar Tree DIY of like little succulent mason jar things. I'll try to leave the like video in the iCards above, or it's just one of my last videos. And so this, and then also this from that same crafter corner section, and it like looked like that. And then she also bought nautical rope to like hang it from. My Dollar Tree didn't have nautical rope. I have some like jute twine that they've had in the past. So I could use that, or I could go back to Dollar Tree and find the jute twine, or I think it just looked super cute like this as well. So this was inspired by her. Here's a screenshot of the final DIY from her channel. And then while I was in that section, I picked this up, and it's called Blackboard Easel, but it's just like a little chalkboard. It's got this stand here, so it could sit up like that, or I could do so many DIYs with it. Like, I could go back and get something like this and put it on it like that. I think that would look super cute. Like I said, it could be a standalone thing, so many things. So I got this, and then when I was in that section, I was so happy to find these. Now I'm moving on to sort of like extra supplies sort of things, not really having any like specific plans for them, but I found these chalk writer pens, and I have seen these in so many Dollar Tree DIY videos and so many Dollar Tree hauls. I feel like the first time I saw it was 50 Shades of Mom in one of her hauls, and she like absolutely swears by these and thinks that they're amazing and they write so well, and I've like heard that recommendation from so many people. So I've been on the hunt forever, and I've never found them until today. So I got this in the green, I got the blue color, let me show it better, this blue color, I got this pink color, and then I got this white color. I almost picked up 2 of the white, but I figured I probably wouldn't need that, and I could try to find it again if I do. So I picked those up, and that could go with this. Also, the last time I went to Dollar Tree, I just went and picked up a few things. I got a chalkboard paint. So there are so many DIYs that I could do with that. I mean, I could even use like chalkboard paint on this or something. I mean, again, possibilities are endless. And then sticking with like the DIY supplies, I got this art palette. This has 6 of them in there, which I think is a great deal for $1. They also had the like traditional art palette, like the one that's like circular. But I love that this had 6 pieces. Every time that I do a DIY like this, I always pull out like a paper plate or something, and so this is just more like reusable, better for the environment sort of thing, super easy to clean, and if it like breaks or if it like gets stained, I can throw it away. So thought that was a great deal. And then I got some, this is a sponge brush set, 6-piece, these are 1 inch, and they had a bunch of different like sets. There was one that had like a brush that was like that big, but I thought that this was like the perfect size. And I have paintbrush from like past DIYs, but I didn't have any sponge brushes, so I thought that that would be good to like have in my collection. And then these were 2 things that I saw that I thought maybe would help with that wood DIY. So with this, I found this. I don't know what's going to be the best. Like I said, I'm probably going to ask my boyfriend for advice. But I found this wood glue, and then I found this super glue. So they're both by the original super glue like corporation company, by the corporation. So this one is just 2 fluid ounces, and it says you can use on furniture, lumber, and cabinets. And then this is just super glue, and they had this, and then they had like 2 like single-use sizes, so they were smaller. These can be used for plenty of other things, obviously, besides just this one DIY. But I picked them up because I thought that that would work. Also, I have a hot glue gun, and I have like it's a Gorilla Glue hot glue gun. So I figured with a combination of, or one of them, I could get that sign, like those 2 pieces of wood, to stick together. I also thought that I could like reinforce it in the back, like add something to like make sure that it stays. Plenty of ideas. So, sticking with fall stuff here, I got 2 signs. So I grabbed this hanging sign that says thankful, grateful, thankful, blessed. I have a little command hook on the outside of my front door, so I thought that this could hang there, or there's plenty of places that this could hang on like other doors in the kitchen, on walls. I just thought it was super cute, and I thought that the design just was really like high-end looking. Like I thought like this doesn't look like a Dollar Tree product. I mean, I could be wrong, but I just thought it was super, super cute, and I could like even DIY it some other way and like take it off the hanger. I thought that the possibilities were endless, and it has like this, rose gold orangey like glitter on it. I really like the look of that. So I picked this up, and then I also picked up this, kind of sticking with that sunflower sort of thing. This says give thanks, and this is supposed to look like a galvanized, but it's plastic still. And it's like raised, and then it's got the sunflowers and these little white flowers and like the wood. I thought it was so cute, and I even like the shape of it. I could even like DIY something on the back or even just chalkboard paint it or something. So I picked this up. They had a ton of signs. Let me tell you, I was so indecisive about it. I actually like walked over to that section, like it's one of the first sections in my Dollar Tree, and I like picked up the sign, picked up the Thankful, Grateful, Blessed one, and then I walked away, and then I was like thinking about it, and I was like, I should grab another one. And so then I walked back over there and I grabbed another one, and then I was like, I should have grabbed another one. Like I wanted to buy like 50 of them. And now that like I have all this DIY stuff in front of me and I have all these ideas about DIYs that I could make, I want to go back and get more, and it's a problem. I mean, it's a problem. So I'll insert a picture here of all the signs, like that whole section of signs that I saw. Okay, so moving on, no more DIY stuff. I just got a few like random things. So to start out with, I got these socks, and these are for my mom's boyfriend. I got these as a joke, and they're gonna be a gift. It was either for like Christmas or his birthday or something. I grabbed a pair like this with beers on them, and so when I saw these again, I just had to pick them up. I buy him a lot of like funny, weird things like for gifts. Like we just like have this like funny gift thing, and so I thought that these were just like kind of a funny like gag gift sort of thing, like just very simple. And then the last two things are cleaning products. So I picked these up, and I picked these up a few Dollar Tree hauls ago, I want to say. I have not used them, but when I saw them again today, I think it's such a great deal. The like Swiffer pads like from the store are like, I think for 20 it was like $9 or something stupid. Or even less than 20. I think it was like 10. I don't know. It was a ridiculous price. And so when I saw these, like again, I had to pick it up. So grabbed these. And then last but certainly not least, I mean, very boring, but I grabbed a duster. They had, I think, the Swiffer brand, but it only had one duster and a handle, and this one comes with two dusters and a handle. So we haven't had a duster brush since we moved in here, and there are some places that need dusting that are like hard to reach places, and I think that this is just like easier than using a cloth to like wipe things down. So that's everything. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and stick around for the pictures at the end, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!